To enable or disable the phone notification on your Polar Critics Pro, press the lower left button to reach the menu, then press the upper right button to reach the very bottom of that page and select Settings. Go into General Settings and go down to Phone Notification, just right here. Select it and you only have two options, off or on when not training. You cannot receive notification when you are training. That's how it's made. So select the option you want, select it just right here, and come back with the back button to the main screen. And there we are. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.